So this is a very rare boat, and today we are at Upton Marina looking at a boat that Tingdene have up for sale, and this boat is a Nelson 28. Now if you know anything about these boats, as far as seagoing vessels go, this is probably top of the list. This is what the Navy have previously used. These are proper ocean going vessels. But this one's very different because it's had both of its engines fully rebuilt. And let's just go and take a little look on board, because I think this one might be of great interest to anyone who wants a very rare piece of marine history. Now we'll just step inside. Here we go. So we'll start off by looking at these brand new engines before we take a look inside the boat. So to do that, what we do is lift these up and gently bring them back. Try and do this carefully. There we go. So these have been fully and completely rebuilt. So these obviously have a lot of life left in them. And this is their 1991 boat. And you can tell that by this awesome original plaque back here. But for now, let's just close this back up and we'll talk about the rest of the boat. So obviously this is your cockpit, which is of course teak. This boat has a lot of teak, so we're not going to point it out every time we see it. And of course we have all the mounting points here to place tables to make this a really sociable space in the summer. Now this boat spent the majority of its life at sea. Only in the past year and a half it's come here. And I know I've said it before in the video, but this is a very capable vessel. It's worth looking at some of the history of these Nelson boats to get an understanding of what they can really do. Now of course we have a sink, and we also have a gas hob under here, and we have a gas oven down here, and the gas tanks are just out in the cockpit under those rear seats. Now turning around, of course there's some covers up there, but you can see once the windows are open a lot of light comes in. Now this here can fold out into a bed. So if I just move back here, this here will fold out flat and become a bed, so of course you have a berth in this saloon space. Now let's talk about the helm. So we're going to start off with a cool little feature of these boats, which is that handle just up there. So that actually operates the spotlight outside, and it's not electric, it's fully manual, and you twist it and turn it to maneuver the spotlight. Really cool. Now of course, being twin engined, we have the twin throttles, and of course we've got all the switchgear here. Now these boats are relatively simplistic. They're designed to be able to take on the sea and not much else. These aren't necessarily pleasure craft. This one obviously is, but they're designed to be ocean going vessels. Now we're going to take a little step back and we're going to have a look in the bow and what's down here. So we'll take a little step down here. And then we have the heads. Now this is actually a pretty decent sized heads, and of course we have the teak accents on the floor. And of course, this being a wet room, there is a shower which pours out of the tap there, and you can just mount it on the ceiling and shower yourself off. Now this is quite dark in here, but the curtains are closed. We can just open these and let in a little bit of light. Of course this opens as well. So in here you have kind of the two bed sort of layout, where you have a single up there, and then with an infill here this can become a bit bigger than a single. Not quite a double, but space for two people. So you could potentially, if you've got kids, fit a kid there, two children here, or two adults in here relatively comfortably. Now let me just turn round back this way. So of course we have loads of storage, and the quality of wood on this boat is exceptional. But of course it's an Nelson, it's what they do. In the cabins, the plug sockets have been changed for USB plug sockets. And if we just move forwards here, we've got a little cupboard here. There we go, just a little storage cupboard in there. And that's it, to be honest. There's not much else to say about this boat. We have a Robusto heater. Yeah, other than that, there's not too much to say. These are very ocean going vessels. This is the sort of vessel that you'd use to take on the sea, to be honest. Of course, in the description there'll be a link to this boat, but I'll also include a link to some web pages about Nelson boats, because the history more than anything of these boats is very interesting. This is definitely one to check out if you want a piece of rare British history. These boats are extremely rare. I was talking to the guys here and they couldn't find another one for sale in the UK. And when one of these do come up for sale, they're not up for sale very long. So if you are interested, make sure to go and check it out with the link down below. And if you did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe.